Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new contacts from Google Contacts to VerticalResponse. This is necessary to automatically transfer new contacts from Google Contacts to other systems. For example, in VerticalResponse you can create new contacts and set up mailings for them. And now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, select the data source system, Google Contacts. Now select the action, Get Contacts, New. At this stage, you need to connect your Google account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you need to specify the login and password of your Google personal account. At this stage, we provide ApiX-Drive access to work with your Google account. For this, be sure to check all the boxes. When the connected account appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. There are no additional settings for the Google Contacts system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now, you see an example of data for one of your Google Contacts contacts. If everything suits you, click Continue. This completes the setup of the Google Contacts data source. Now you need to proceed to setting up the data destination. Select the VerticalResponse system. Next, select the action, Add Contact. At this stage, you need to connect your VerticalResponse account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you need to specify the login and password of your VerticalResponse personal account. When the connected login is displayed in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. At this stage, you need to select the list to which new contacts will be added. Now, you see the VerticalResponse fields for creating new contacts. You can assign variables from Google Contacts to these fields. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can use not only variables from the drop-down list, but also enter data manually. When all the necessary variables are assigned, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of the data that will be sent to VerticalResponse in the form of new contacts for each new contact from Google Contacts. If you are not satisfied with something, click Edit and you will go back a step. To check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to VerticalResponse. After successful sending, go to VerticalResponse and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. This completes the setup of VerticalResponse as a data destination. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration setup and good luck.